Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I will be showing you how to download and import Notion templates. So let's get started. So for example, if you want to download or duplicate a template from Notion, so you must have the link first, and all you have to do is to paste this to your browser and you will see the result right here. So it depends on the template owner for the access that you can. But all you have to do is to click this duplicate right here. So as you can see now, it is now duplicating. And then you just have to wait as it is duplicating the weekly planner to your Notion board. And this is the result. And then you can now edit the template that you have download or duplicate or import from someone's Notion or from someone's template right here. After that, you can now publish. So actually, your access depends on the owner. So if you purchase this and then the owner can let you edit the template, then you can edit this one. But if you purchase this and then the owner will just let you view, then you can only view the template. But of course, if you purchase this, obviously, the owner will let you edit everything right here. So that's it. Now, that's how simple and easy it is to download and import Notion from templates. You just have to copy and then paste the link and then click duplicate. Or if you see download option, all you have to do is to do that. If you found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.